What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nima and I post all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle and DIY. So if any of that is at your interest, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on so every time I post you'll be the first one to be notified. So today's video is a little bit overdue, like a month or month and a half. So it's the Colourpop new Pretty Fresh collection that came out like a month ago. So they have foundation, they have concealers, they have setting spray, they have lip collection and stuff, but I just got the foundation, I got the concealer and I got the setting spray. So this is the look I came up with and I matched my shades online. You just went online, I looked at the descriptions and I bought the foundation. So this is the foundation I bought and it's the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. It's in the shade Deep Dark 185 Warm. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty light in the bottle, but it matches, I guess it oxidizes and stuff. But yeah, I was so skeptical, but it is a really good thing. So it was like really cheap, not super expensive, I guess $14 or something, but I'll put the links in the description below if you want to check them out. And of course I got the Pretty Fresh concealer to go with the foundation, and this is in the dark 175 neutral. Then the last thing I got was the Pretty Fresh setting spray. This looks so good. It looks like, I don't know, juice. No, I love the color that it's kind of peachy and stuff, but yeah, and it has a really like good spray. Like, look at that. That is a big amount of spray and it smells so good, you guys. Just stay to the end of this video and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you at the end. Bye. Okay, my brows are already done, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, and today I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Matte Primer. Alright, so next is the moment of truth. So I'm using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation in the color Deep Dark 185 Warm. And before I blend my foundation, I'm gonna first spray the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. So far, I think the foundation is holding up pretty good. I think it's a nice match. I don't know if you guys can see the same thing in the camera, but yeah, I think it's pretty nice. I really love the color. It looks like it is my shade. Again, I just bought it online basing on the description, so I wasn't sure what I'm getting. So far so good. Now we're gonna go move on to the concealer. For the concealer, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in the shade Dark 175 Neutral. Okay, so yep, concealer is good too. I like it. It matches really well. It goes really well with the foundation. I'm so surprised. But I mean, concealer was not a big deal. I was really like skeptical about the foundation, but so far it's holding good. So to set my concealer, I'm gonna be using the Revolution Banana Baking Powder in the shade Banana, I guess. For contour today, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place, the Chocolates palette. I will use the darker shades as my contour. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna be going with the Juvia's Place blush in the shade Bella. Okay, for highlight today, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty highlight. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done for the face. I'm gonna finish my eyes off camera and I'll be right back for the final review. Stay tuned. Alright, so guys, we're back and this is the final look. I really love, I enjoy doing this look. I'm so glad that this foundation worked on the concealer because, you know, it's really hard to find your shade in a foundation, especially online, but I was like, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it. So I really love that it really worked. I'm super excited. This is my shade, like completely it is my shade. I really love this, you guys, and this is the look. I use the Juvia's Place for my eyes, the chocolates and the nude palette, and for the lips I used Jeffree Star and lip liner. But yeah, this is what we have, you guys. What do you think? Do you like it? If you are skeptical, you have the same color like me, I'll put down the links in the description below what color I used of the foundation, the concealer, and the setting spray. You guys, they work perfectly. And these are supposed to be like hyaluronic, like hydrating, and I have oily skin, so I thought it was gonna be like super oily and stuff, but no, it is super good. It stays so well. I mean, I'm so glad. If you like this video and more, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and welcome to the fam. I'll see you on my next video. Stay tuned for the shots. Bye.